Okay, so I was just walking the main a bit of a siding, and I was down at an intersection to the right there, and I was making a turn, and look what I spied with my little eye. This is in Langley, BC, on the siding. I'd say that's a pretty nice find, wouldn't you? It's an old SW. I believe these were 900s or 1200s. I'm not sure because they've been converted so heavily. So the sad news is, guess what's happening over there? Scrap metal. Doesn't look too good for this old workhorse. What a great find this is. Inglewood Logging. There's some interesting channels out there about this railroad. Western Forest Products. But you know, I have a Proto 2000. You hear the scrap metal in the background. I have a Proto 2000 on deck, and I always wanted to build a model of this. Boy, have I ever been fortunate lately with train spotting and rail fanning. I've been really fortunate on some of the locomotives I've been able to find just locally here. I'd love to build a model of this just for nostalgic reasons. It's a brand new rail guard with a lock on it.